Hey guys, I just created a full guide for you on how to transfer Ethereum from a Binance to your Phantom wallet step by step. Now first, before we start, just note that Phantom wallet is basically built for Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon networks. Okay, so just make sure your Phantom wallet actually set up to support Ethereum. You can actually enable the Ethereum network in your Phantom settings. So once you've done that, right, you open the Phantom wallet and get your Ethereum address. So you just launch the extension on your device, on your browser or your mobile app. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner, or you can go to your settings. Now under networks, make sure of course Ethereum is enabled, and then switch to the Ethereum tab. Go ahead and tap on receive, then copy your Ethereum wallet address, okay? Then you log into Binance. So you can open the Binance app or go to Binance.com and log in there. And then just go ahead and tap the wallet, choose funding or spot depending on where your Ethereum is stored. Then I want you to go ahead and find Ethereum and tap on withdraw. Now, we will go to the next step where we go basically paste the Phantom wallet address and the chose the networks. In the address field, basically, you need to paste your Phantom Ethereum wallet address and choose the Ethereum network, which is ERC20. Do not use BSC, okay, or any other networks, please. Please use this one. I don't want your money to be lost forever, okay? And enter the amount of Ethereum you want to go ahead and send. And then you can basically tap withdraw and then complete the security verification steps, because Binance usually does that. And then after that, Binance will process the withdrawal. Just wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain. Usually a few minutes, depending on the traffic. And then after a few confirmations, your Ethereum will appear in your Phantom wallet under the Ethereum tab. Okay, bonus tip, always test with small amounts first. Make sure everything works before sending out the full transfer. So I hope this helps you out. If it did, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.